Today, let me talk about teacher. Teacher is very respected in China. Not only in teaching day, every student will get the flower to teacher, but also in daily. Everybody will say hello to teacher. Teacher payment in our country is not much. In city, teacher getting payment maybe just 5,000 yuan. Even though in some country, some teacher just getting the payment 3,000 yuan. So their payment is very low. In my opinion, the most important qualities for a good teacher is they just get the payment lower, but they still make much more contribution for the education of China. Even though with the development of the computer, I think the computer still cannot replace the teacher in the classroom, because teacher, not only a teacher, no the computer can replace.